Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Friday Trading for Living live session. Big crackdown yesterday. Markets were in a very narrow range for large part of the day, and then suddenly, as if the Indian players came to know there is going to be a big fall in the US markets, we could see the last session being sold out very aggressively. So yesterday it has been a day of big reversal. Our Indian markets closed negatively, especially in the last session. It gave up all the gains, and European markets also closed pretty much lower with almost more than 2% cut in the European markets, and it was no different for the US markets also. In fact, the Fed policy was on Wednesday. There was not much of a reaction towards the Fed policy meeting, but then yesterday, Thursday, the entire market in the US has given up with more than 2% negative closing. Well, is it because of the Fed policy, or is it because of breaching of certain technical levels? It doesn't really matter. What matters is when the certain technical levels were breached, irrespective of what the events or the news behind it, we can see certain selling levels or certain buying levels. So that is what is more important for a technical trader. For a technical trader, it doesn't matter what is the event, it doesn't matter what is the news. All that matters is at certain critical juncture, is there a reversal or is there a trend continuation, is what he needs to watch out for. If you were a trend follower, then it was very obvious there was a reversal coming, and yesterday it has shown, yes, the price action is honoring the technical levels most of the times. If not all the times, you can really depend on the technical charts for your trading as well as for your survival. We'll see how the markets have been trading today. This is the chart of Nifty. Well, in continuation with the yesterday's trend, markets have opened lower. Yesterday, towards the end of the session, markets have closed almost at the bottom, and today it is continuing the downtrend. It has opened lower with the downward trajectory, and again trying to make a little bit of pullback, but it is not having any meaningful pullback, and it has given again a sell setup. So if you see Nifty breaking 18,327, you can remain short without much buying levels anytime in the nearby zone. This is the chart of Bank Nifty, same setup. Yesterday closed towards the close, it has been at the lows, opens lower, goes further down and tries to make a pullback which has failed, and it is now again trying to come back and cut the lows and create new lows for the day. 43,201 is the level to watch out for. This is the chart of Bank Nifty. We will quickly look into some of the banking stocks. That is where some of the major selling has been there today. This is the chart of Bank Nifty. This is the chart of Axis Bank. Has been in the sell range like yesterday. It has gone down along with today's opening session of the index, and now making a pullback. This is a chart of Bank of Baroda. Continues the downtrend which had started yesterday. Today again it is trying to go down at around 181 levels, currently trading at 183. This is the chart of Canara Bank, very similar to Bank Nifty chart. In continuation with yesterday's downtrend, goes further down and now tries to make a pullback has failed, and this is the chart of Canara Bank, currently trading at 314. Watch out for 312 levels. Fin Nifty, today this is the data of December 15th. Sorry, there is some data updation problem. This is the chart of HDFC, also very similar to Bank Nifty chart. Failed breakouts, failed pullbacks, and now once again trying to hit the lows and go further down. 2645 is the level to watch out for. This is HDFC Bank. Not much trade emerging in HDFC Bank. Let us look into ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank also has been in a sideways movement. It has opened lower, but it has been in the sideways movement. Watch out for certain other levels to emerge before getting into the trade in ICICI Bank. This is ICICI Pru Life, ICICI General Insurance. This is ICICI Pru Life, IDFC First Bank. Low price stock 62 rupees, trading with some decent volumes but price range below 100. So generally for intraday I do not pick stocks which are below 100. Kotak Bank, no trading available in this stock. It is continuing the downtrend, but the pullback has been little significant with 4 to 5 green candles after the low of 1846. There has been good pullback and it has still not started going down.